Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day and thank you for stopping by. Today I am going to open my paper box. It's a personalized stationery box. I get the grand box, which is $28 a month. So let's see what we have this month. It says, meet me at the disco. So this should be fun. Let's see what's in it. First off, it says Skate and Janice. I'll take the box out of here. Hi friends. Meet me at the disco. Welcome to our August Disco Grand Box. The theme is inspired by all the great times I spent at the skating rink as a kid. Do you remember the disco ball, music, snacks, and fun games? We hope you enjoy it. We love to chat. Email us at mypaperbox.com for anything. XOXO Sam. And yes, I am definitely old enough to remember skating. That's what we did every Friday night. And it was fun. I was never the greatest skater, but it was fun. It was fun to hang out with your friends. So here is the booklet, my paper box. The world is brighter because of you. Meet me at the disco. And then we have a month at a glance. August is my birthday month. Some good days there. Cat Day, Book Lovers Day, Lazy Day. We're going to have notepads, it looks like. Some cards. Accessories, and this little booklet tells you about every day, the month at a glance, celebration days, Friendship Day, Girlfriend's Day, and Sister's Day, August 1st. August 2nd, National Ice Cream Sandwich Day. August 3rd, National Watermelon Day. August 4th, Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Fun. It tells you everything that you can do. Here's a little game, Mad Lib game. Fun facts about restaurants. Oh, that's because August 24th is American Restaurants Day. And scan me to contact them. And my paper box, handmade with love in Texas. Alrighty, so let's see what we have. First, I see a pencil case. We'll open that because this is really fun and sparkly and cute. Disco Vibe. Pink jewel case. Cute. Super cute. So shiny. Iridescent. I don't know if you can really see the iridescent. Oh yeah, I guess you can a little bit. That's fun. Oh, look at inside even too. This is a nice big one too. Fun. I like that. I'll be able to use that, or if not myself, one of my granddaughters will. And we have some, oh, these are fun. Disco ball thumbtacks. They look like little disco balls. Blue, red, yellow, and green. Those are fun. I like those. And here we have some, oh, here's our calendar for the month of August. I missed the good old days. Oh, I even had those kind of roller skates. Well, not with the tie, but with the metal thing that you had the key to do the toe closed. Yes, I'm that old. And that too. Just so you know. That's cute and rainbowy. Then here's your days at a glance. The world is brighter because of you. Okay. And some cards here. Let's see what they say. Meet me at the disco. I hope this card makes your day brighter. Skate on, my friend Janice. Fun. Let's see what other one we got. Looks like there's two in here. Roller skates. Thank you for always skating by my side, Janice. That's a nice one too. Nice friend card. Okay. And oh, let's see what this card is. The world is brighter because of you. Can never have too many cards. Oh, that's like a note card. Awesome. I'll use that. Yes, I will. It's a nice big one too. Is this the same? Oh, so cute. I miss the good old days. Same thing. So a nice little note card. I will use those. All right, let's see what we have in here. Little notepad. Make fun today. With little disco balls and roller skates and my name. That's a nice little pad. And then here is another one. Skate on with my name. It's like a little graph one. That's fun. That's something different. Okay. And then we have a Make It Fun Today weekly calendar sheets. Yes, so cute. Love, lovely. And then there's my name. That's quite a few. Weekly. I like those weekly ones. Makes me stick to the plan. I always need help with that. And then we have some stickers. Meet me at the disco. The world is brighter because of you. Roller skates with my name. Another one. Disco balls with my name. Make it fun today. I do like that all of them don't have my name. I like that they have my name, but then it's also fun without my name. These are nice and colorful. Okay, so that looks like that is it for August. So we've got the 2 sheets of stickers. We've got the weekly calendar, Make It Fun Today, with my name. The little graph notepad list. The smaller little notepad. The 2 note cards with envelopes. And then the 2 other cards with the sayings inside. Signed by me. The disco ball thumbtacks. Those look fun. They look like balloons. And the awesome pencil case. I just love this shiny pink. So cute. And then our little calendar card. And then this is usually a sticker too. Meet me at the disco. So thank you for stopping by and peeking at my paper box. And I hope that you have a best day ever. Have fun. Bye.